Hey, Mr. Harridan here. We're going to do some F-block electron configurations, noble gas electron configurations, the shorthands, and we're going to learn how to identify some electron configurations. So we are going to start off with remember our periodic table. These are the important groups to fill out: 1s2, 2p6, 3p6, 4p6, 5p6, 6p6, and 7p6. 2s2, we have alkaline metals, you fill those out. Fill out the zinc group, and you fill out this group because those are our filled orbitals. So we are going to do the electron configuration for tungsten. Now tungsten is located way down here. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks over in the 5D. Okay? So we have to start at the top here. So you go 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 it is, 3s2 and 3p6, then comes the 4s2, then the weird one, 3d10, dun dun dun. Okay, then 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6. Oh, we're not there yet. 6s2. Now, here's the trick, though. After you do the 6s2, remember there's this little arrow that goes down to here. After element number 56, you have to do element number 57. So then you have to do 4f14. So you go do 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 do, and then you end up back around here to 5d4. Okay? Because if you forget the 4f14, it does not add up to 74. You always want to check to see if it adds up. So 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 36, 38, 48, 54, 56, 70, 74. There you go. Easily done. That's how you do tungsten. Now gold is right here, right before 5d10. This is gold right here, AU. AU. That is 5d9. So here we go again. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It is 3s2 and 3p6, and then comes the 4s2. Then the weird one, 3d10. Dun dun dun. So now I'm here. Now we keep going. 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, and then we have to go down to the lanthanides. 4f14, and then 5d9. So the only thing that changed was between tungsten and gold is the last orbital, and those would add up to 79. Okay, now abbreviated electron configurations. Okay, so this is what they call the noble gas configurations here. So what they do with these is we still fill this out as 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, and 7s2. Still fill this out as 3d10, 4d10, 5d10, 6d10. Okay? But we use the noble gases over here. So we use helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and OG. Okay, and then this is still 4F14 and 5F14. Okay, so you can write out the whole electron configuration for antimony, which is SB, by the way, element number 51, which is right here, SB. It is in the 5D3 block. Oh, sorry, not D. That is a P, Mr. Harridan. 5P3. 5P3. Not 5D. So to do noble gas configuration here, you go to the noble gas before it, which is krypton. So you put this in brackets, brackets, bracket, brackets, krypton, like that. So that means you're starting here, and then you continue on. 5s2, 4d10, 5p3. Remember, krypton has 36 electrons. 36, 38, 48, 51. That adds up to the atomic number. That's how you do that. Okay, palladium, which is PD. That is 2, 4, 6 blocks over here, I believe. This is palladium right here. 4d6. So again, we go to the noble gas before it, which is krypton again. So we put bracket, 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 krypton, and then we continue on from here. 5s2, 4d6. Did I put in the wrong square? I did. That is not palladium right there. I lied. This is 4d8 right there. Palladium is right there, Mr. Harridan. It's more near the more expensive metals. So this is actually 4d8. I would have been able to figure that out because if I did 36, 38, and then 46, 38, yeah, if I had a 6 there, that only adds up to 44, and I knew I was wrong. That's how I knew I was wrong. Put in the wrong square. You have to put in the right square, Mr. Harridan. Okay. Mercury. Mercury is number 80. Mercury is right here. Okay. So for Mercury here, we have to go back to the noble gas before it, which is xenon. Put that in brackets. Then you continue on. 6s2. As I try to do this on the paper and let you see it at the same time. Yeah, it's kind of hard. 6s2. Then you have to go down, remember, from the 6s2 over to the 4f14. And then you go back up to the 5d10. Because xenon is number 54. 56, 70, 80. That adds up to the 80 that we are looking for Mercury, which is Hg. Palladium was Pd. Okay. And then identifying elements here, there's two ways you can do this. You can add up the top numbers here. So this is 2, 4, 6, 12, 15. So this has a total of 15 electrons. So I know that this is phosphorus. Because phosphorus is atomic number 15, which is a P. That is one way you can do it. Or the other way you can do it is you look at the last one here, which is 4d7. You find 4d7 on your periodic table, which is right here. And you see what element is there. 4d7. Oh, that's my favorite element of them all. That's rhodium. And why is my favorite element? It's most expensive. That's why. No other reason. Okay, so this one here, we can total them up again here. So we have 54, 56, 70, 80, 83. Element number 83 is bismuth, which is Bi. And this one's at 65, so I can go look at 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 65 is, oh, how nice. Bohrium, named after Niels Bohr, of course. I mean, when you come up with the planetary model of the atom, I mean, they just start naming elements after you. Go figure. Which is BH. Okay, you guys are champions. The legend is out.